Sarah Carson Plick Murphy and
Ashley is now
Catch as Catch Can, intermediate.
Heading on to the AS crowd ramp. And up and over fence 4 there for Ronald Zabala. And Ashley's now up over fence 17, the side ramp. Picking her up with the wards up. Good solid ride in. Skipping across. Quick little ride across D. And easily out over the C element, the angled rail. Brush. Now on to cordwood there for Ashley. Sarah Carson Plick Murphy very nicely over Geronimo. Heading down to 14AB. Which is well flat. And Sarah Carson Plick Murphy is now through fence 14AB. She's on her way to Gully Corner. Next to start, we have number 86, Sinead Halpin, on the pony for Snip. Sinead is up over fence 1. Ashley's on the back side of the course, just wrapping things up. And up and over fence 2 is 86, Sinead Halpin, while Ashley is